Welcome back to Emerald Lagasse's kitchen. Psych, bitch, cooking with the reals. Today, I'm about to fuck around and make me some goddamn steak. Look at these motherfucking cuts. Ain't these beautiful? I almost want to fuck it. Now, you're gonna want to take these boys out of the fridge at about 30 minutes before you actually cook them. Then you want to season them with some salt. There. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that shit. All that salt's gonna add some flavor. It's also gonna pull that moisture out of the steak so you get a nice dry ass crust. That's that good shit, baby. Oh yeah, we use that motherfucking kosher salt for the Jewish steak eater in your life. Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. Steak's looking pretty good. Should I even add a little bit more salt on there because I'm a fat fuck. But for the most part, it looks like we're ready to go. Now you're gonna want you a nice, big, black, not penis, cast iron skillet. You're gonna take this boy, get it really fucking hot. And here's how you can tell it's hot. Look at that shit. Hot tamale. There we fucking go, boy. Let me turn this fucking fan on. Now, we're ready to cook with the realist. Alright, without further ado, I got everything prepped, so it's time to get fucking cooking. Look at that shit. That boy sizzles. I ain't gonna be doing it that long, because I like my boys rare. Now, you know, you can have yours meaty, you can have yours fucking well done if you want, but if you have yours well done, then don't watch my fucking video. We're gonna do it for about a minute, and then we flip. Now, that ain't done yet, but what you want to do is to get that crust going, you know, you want to get that crust. You gotta do it a minute each side, and just keep flipping it, make sure it's a constant flip. It'll take about 6 minutes for it to be done, but I'm gonna be temp testing it anyway. Alright, it's time for flip number 2. Let's watch this boy. Yep. Isn't that looking good? It's fucking good. Look at that. The fucking salt is crusting up. Nice, delicious, flavory crust.